ever pondered how a few easy changes may make your driving experience extraordinary? In modern society, where cars are so important to our everyday lives, adding new accessories can make every trip more fun, safer, and efficient. The suitable accessories may enhance your driving experience, whether it's modern technology that keeps your vehicle cutting edge or useful gadgets that add convenience and pleasure. There's an accessory for everyone, from techies to families, for regular commutes to adventurous road trips. In this video, we explore the must-have accessories for cars that will change how you view driving and make every drive an adventure. Number 10. Car Garbage Bag. The car garbage bag is a creative way to keep your car clean and free of useless things. This small but roomy bag is made of long-lasting, leak-proof materials and can be easily attached to the back of a seat or any other handy spot in your car. It gives you a place to hide your trash and make it easy to dispose of. Its strap can be adjusted to fit securely in any car, and its sleek design goes well with the inside of your car. The bag can be used again and again, and it's easy to clean because it has a liner that can be taken out and sealed to keep spills and smells inside. Number 9. Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. Keeping the inside of your car clean can be hard, but the Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner is a small but strong gadget that can help. With its strong motor and variety of resources designed for different surfaces and hard-to-reach spots, this vacuum cleaner easily gets rid of dust, dirt, and even pet hair that won't come off. It's easy to move around because it's light and ergonomic, and the cordless choice helps you clean every part of your car without having to deal with a power cord. The vacuum has a durable filter that can be washed. This means that it will work well for a long time and is better for the environment because it cuts down on the need for throwaway filters. Number 8. Tevlaphee Steering Wheel Lock. This Tevlaphee steering wheel lock is a strong security device made to keep your car safe and prevent theft. Because it is made of high-quality steel, it is very strong and durable, and it can stand up to efforts to cut, hammer, and saw it. Its design is both tough and easy to use. It has a universal fit that adjusts to fit the width of most steering wheels, so it will work with a lot of different cars. It also has a complex locking mechanism that is easy for the owner of the car to use and release, but hard for thieves to mess with. Number 7. Car Cleaning Window Tool. The car cleaning window equipment is a carefully made accessory that makes it easier to keep the windows in your car clean and streak-free. The microfiber cloth head on this unique tool easily wipes away dirt, grime, and fingerprints without scratching the glass or leaving any residue. Its long, comfortable handle makes it easy to reach across the glass and other windows, so even the hardest-to-reach spots get a good cleaning. The head of the tool can be taken off and washed, which makes upkeep easy and helps you use it again and again. Number 6. Govee Car LED Lights. There is a new type of lighting called Govee Car LED Lights that changes the mood inside your car with bright colors and cool effects. These LED strips are meant to make your car look better. You can change the colors, patterns, and control them with the included remote control or a smartphone app. With features like music synchronization, the lights can pulse and change colors to go with your favorite songs, making the sound and video experience more engaging. The LEDs are made from high-quality materials that will last and work well for a long time. Number 5. Car Power Inverter. Inverters like the Car Power Inverter are essential for people who spend a lot of time on the road because they make it easy to power and charge electronics directly from your car. This small device changes the DC power from your car's battery into AC power, which is the same kind of power you use at home. This helps you plug in laptops, smartphones, portable game systems, and other small appliances. With safety in mind, it usually has multiple outlets and USB ports so that multiple devices can be charged at the same time. It also has built-in defenses against overloading, overheating, and short-circuiting. The inverter is easy to set up. Just plug it into the cigarette lighter socket or connect it directly to the battery. Number 4. PureZone Air Purifier. PureZone Air Purifier is an innovative air cleaning system that will make your car better by effectively getting rid of dust, allergens, smoke, pet hair, and other air pollutants. It has a true HEPA filter that gets rid of 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This makes it perfect for people with allergies and people who want to make their home healthy. An activated carbon filter gets rid of smells, and a UVC light kills germs and bacteria. Together, these features make this air cleaner very effective. It works quietly, so you can use it without disturbing others. This makes it great for bedrooms, offices, and other quiet places. Number 3. Car Trunk Organizer. The car trunk organizer is a useful and flexible item that will keep the trunk of your car clean. It's made of long-lasting materials and has many compartments and pockets that allow you store and organize tools, emergency gear, groceries, sports gear, and trip items in a way that keeps them from moving around while you drive. Because it's collapsible, you can easily change its size or fold it up completely when not in use. This gives you options and saves room. The organizer has strong handles that make it easy to move and non-slip pads that keep it in place. It also usually has waterproof features that make it good for all kinds of weather. Number 2. Cobra Laser Detector. The modern Cobra laser detector is made for drivers who want to be more aware of their surroundings and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with that. This device was made with accuracy and the newest laser detection technology. It has better sensitivity and range, and it can pick up a wide range of radar and laser signals from police speed cameras before you get close to them. Its simple design makes it easy to use and keeps your attention on the road due to clear alerts and updates. With features like voice alerts, signal strength meters, and resistance to VG2 and Spectre detection systems, the Cobra laser detector does more than just keep you from getting speeding tickets. Number 1. Car Seat Gap Filler. The car seat gap filler is a simple but very effective way to keep things from going through the spaces between your car's seats and center console. It's made of strong, flexible materials and fits snugly next to the seat. It forms a barrier that catches everything from food crumbs to phones, keys, and coins, saving you the trouble and risk of having to look for things while driving. Its universal design makes it work with a wide range of car makes and models, and its sleek look makes it fit in with the interior of your car. In this complete overview, we've covered a variety of essential car accessories to improve your driving experience, from the car garbage bag and car trunk organizer to the Tevlaphee steering wheel lock. Our portable car vacuum cleaner, PureZone Air Purifier, and Govee Car LED Lights enhance convenience and comfort in your vehicle. The car Power Inverter is essential for efficiency and communication, while the Cobra laser detector protects watchful drivers. Each item has been chosen to make your vehicle more fun, functional, and safe, making every trip an adventure. Remember to share this video with other auto fans, subscribe for more insightful material, like and support our channel, and comment with your favorite car accessory or any others you believe should be on this list.